Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get data from Yahoo Finance. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Yahoo Finance website. This platform offers a wealth of financial information, from stock prices to company financials. You can search for virtually any publicly traded company or financial asset. We'll cover how to efficiently find the data you need and prepare it for download. Once on the Yahoo Finance homepage, use the prominent search bar at the top to enter the ticker symbol of the asset you're interested in, like Apple for Apple. After selecting your asset, you'll see an overview page. Look for the Historical Data tab, which is crucial for our purpose. This section allows you to explore past performance and trends over different time frames. On the Historical Data tab, you'll find options to customize your data. First, select the time period you want to analyze. You can choose from preset ranges like 5 years or a custom date range. Next, specify the frequency, such as daily, weekly, or monthly data points. Finally, locate and click the Download button, usually found near the table, to save your data as a convenient CSV file. With your CSV file downloaded, you can now open it in any spreadsheet program, like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. This allows for easy organization, filtering, and analysis of the financial data. You can create charts, calculate moving averages, or perform other statistical analyses to uncover valuable insights. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. These tools help you make informed decisions based on solid financial information.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.